Hello and welcome back. We're doing Halloween bow ties these days as Halloween is soon coming up, and as you can see we're having these radioactive spooky greenish ghoulish colors. We're going to do a showcase later on all of the Halloween bow ties that we've created and I've created and all of the possibilities, but today I want to show you this nice bow tie. Let me just bring it closer. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. There we go. So, I just want to show how wonderful and how creative you can get with Lego bricks, especially when creating neckties and bow ties and pieces like this. And the reason I'm showing you today is because this actually, if you squint your eyes or if you look at it from a distance, it actually looks like a mean looking face because of the chains. And these would be the eyes, right? These would be the eyes and the nose, and this is the mouth. And let me just, if I can zoom in. If you move it around, it feels like it's doing an evil laugh. So it's really adding some character and personality to this already enchanting ghoulish green, radioactive green bow tie. Might be on sale in the shop, but if not, we'll send out the instructions or share the instructions later with you. So, ghoulish laughs here for just in times for Halloween. Trick or treat, y'all. Alright, with that, I hope you enjoy your crazy creations, and do share with the channel and with us and with me any Halloween bow ties that you've created. I'm always happy to feature them and share with the channel. With that, I wish you an amazing Halloween season and of course, have a crazy day.